Experiment number 7. Faster firing synthesis, a crossout video by Dangerously Incompetent. Now the synthesis fires a volley, and then there's a delay before it can fire the next volley. Now is that delay a reload time? Is it overheating, cooling down? Or is it charging? Or is it something else? The synthesis description itself doesn't say. And I asked because I was thinking about putting the Oppressor in my new build. And the Oppressor's Benny is car speed increases weapon and missile reload speed. Well, the synthesis is definitely a weapon. Maximum effect 30% at 80 kilometers an hour. So if the synthesis reloads, then I should be firing faster. I tried rooting around online and couldn't find a definitive answer anywhere. So I'm going to decide once and for all, does the Oppressor Benny affect the synthesis firing rate of fire with an experiment? There's one small hitch with the experiment in that the rate of fire of the synthesis is very much governed by your mouse button control or whatever firing button you've got set up, because you press and hold the fire button, there's a delay, and then it releases the volley. Then you've got to release the fire button again before you can press it down and hold and fire again. But I think my mouse control is regular enough that it shouldn't, any effect of my failing to fire fast enough with my mouse will be overridden by a 30% increase in reload speed. So let's give it a shot, shall we? The vehicle on each side of the screen is exactly the same, has the same driver in it. The only difference is one's going zooming around at 80-ish plus kilometers an hour. We'll do 10 volleys and we'll see which one finishes first, shall we? Oh no, I'm running out of room, I'm going to have to turn. Both finished firing at pretty much the same time. There certainly wasn't a 30% difference in the amount of time it took to fire 10 volleys, be you zooming around or stationary. So the result of this experiment is the Oppressor's benefit does not help the synthesis fire any faster. So I conclude that the synthesis is not a reloading weapon.